In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge pages in Surveymonkey. This process involves removing a page break to combine all the questions from two different pages into one seamless page. Whether you're looking to streamline your survey or simply rearrange the questions for better flow, merging pages can be a handy tool in your Surveymonkey design arsenal. Let's dive right into the steps to achieve this. First things first, you'll need to log into your Surveymonkey account and open up the survey you're working on. Once you've got your survey open, navigate over to the Design Survey tab. This is where all the magic happens. In the Design Survey tab, you'll see a list of your survey pages, and you'll want to scroll to locate the specific page that's causing the separation between your questions. This is essentially the page you want to remove, so you can merge the questions with those on either the preceding or following page. When you find the separator page, look toward the top of that page for the More Actions menu, which is depicted as 3 dots, also known as an ellipsis. Click on this menu to open up some additional options. Among these options, you should see one that says Delete Page. Go ahead and select this option. Surveymonkey will then prompt you with a choice regarding what you want to do with the questions that are currently on that page. You'll have 2 options. You can choose to move the questions to the page above, or alternatively, move them to the page below. Think about the overall structure and flow of your survey here, as your choice will determine how these questions are integrated with the others. For example, if you want the questions to follow those from the previous section, choosing to move them to the page above would be the ideal option. Once you've made your decision on where you want the questions to land, it's time to finalize the action. Simply click Delete to confirm your choice. Surveymonkey will process this change, and you'll find that all the questions from the former page have now successfully moved to the adjacent page. With this, you've effectively merged the pages, creating a smoother and more cohesive set of questions. This technique is especially useful if you're trying to simplify the survey-taking experience for respondents, or if you want to maintain a certain thematic cohesion in your questionnaire. Remember, a well-organized survey not only improves response rates, but can also enhance the quality of the data collected. I hope this has been a helpful guide in managing your surveys. Happy surveying!